What was the first video posted on YouTube in 2023? The short answer is, it depends on which time zone you live in. For example, if you're in Japan and post a video at 12 AM on January 1st, you could count it as the first video of the year. But from the perspective of someone in, let's say, Alaska, that video would be published on December 31st at 6 AM. That's because the time zone Alaska is in, which is UTC-9, is 18 hours behind the time zone Japan's in, which is UTC+9. So now that we know that from your perspective, the first video posted in a particular year depends on which time zone you live in, that raises the question, what is the first YouTube video that could technically be considered to be uploaded in 2023 in at least one time zone? To answer that question, we need to know which time zone on Earth experiences a new day and therefore year first. That time zone is UTC+14, and it's only used on the Line Islands and Kiribati, which are a chain of small islands in the Pacific Ocean with a population of about 9,000. So, since UTC+14 is the earliest time zone in the world, a video published at 12 AM UTC+14 on January 1st, 2023 would be the earliest possible video to be technically considered the first video in 2023 by at least some people. The next question is, how do we know at what time exactly a YouTube video was published? While YouTube doesn't show the exact time a video was posted, there's a site called matw.io which could extract metadata from any YouTube video, and that metadata includes the exact time down to the second a video was posted. But how do we actually find the first YouTube video posted in 2023? I didn't want to spend hours searching through thousands of videos to find one which was posted at the exact time I'm looking for, so instead what I did was set my computer's time zone to UTC+14, uploaded a video to my second channel, and scheduled it to be published at exactly 12 AM local time on January 1st, 2023. When the day came, I pasted the video's URL into the metadata extraction tool, converted the time and date, and sure enough, it was in fact published at the exact time I set it to. So is this short video from my second channel the first video to be published in 2023 in at least one time zone? Well, yes, but it shares the spot with many other videos. You see, more than 500 hours of content is uploaded to YouTube every minute. If the average YouTube video is around 12 minutes long, that's over 2,500 videos every minute. So while the video I uploaded is the earliest YouTube video that could technically be considered to be published in 2023, it shares that spot with over 2,500 other videos that were published during the same minute. And that's all I have for today's video. I left a link to the video and the metadata extraction tool in the description so you can check it out yourself. If you learned something new and want to see more videos about YouTube features, history and glitches, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have any video ideas, feel free to write them in the comments.